Well, this month it's Shaymin box. Shaymin month. Like last month it was Manaphy, but the Manaphy boxes, Shaymin is also hard to get because it was, I think it was 900 like Manaphy, but I'm not sure. So let's do an unboxing. Let's see what we get. And yes, they are hard to get open. And I don't want to use scissors. I want to get the box. Ouch.
You're opening the wrong side.
No, no. Okay, we've got it open.
By the way, the code's mine since I bought the box, so
So like, yeah, we don't give out the codes for the generations because we like to keep the generations codes.
you took the last codes last time, so I'm taking this one because
that's true. Yeah, I did take the mute code, and I got something. What did I get from it? I got a Fallout Pikachu. That's right.
PCG, the online one.
Yeah. Well, we get a
Another one.
poster, mini poster, which I'll probably end up using. Okay, you get the promo, which is kind of cute. Like everybody said, it is cute. But I don't have my photos with me, so I can't put it straight away. Get a Shaymin pin. Well, this form is actually Landmin, like down here and here. That's Shaymin. Okay. We've got two boosters here. We've got
Fire or water?
We've got fire red or water blue. What one?
Go with fire.
Fire red?
We'll leave water for last.
Okay, we'll go for fire red. And it's been opened.
Well, just open it, just see what it... Because it's not fully open because the card probably hasn't been touched.
That is true. Okay, we're going to do the good old card trick. Just 1, 2, 3 from the back.
See what the uncommons are.
Okay. We've got a Swab Blue.
Put it on the table to show.
Okay. We've got Swab Blue. Double Colorless Energy. Mr. Mime. Shelter. Fairy Energy. Zubat. A Magma. A reverse is reverse Magma. A Deontay. And the rare is a Jinx. That's the first booster, so we're going to go for the Blastoise. And this one has actually not been. For some reason.
Maybe it's not a very good factory that did the.
Yeah.
Maybe this batch, the factory didn't do it properly.
Yeah, because they
didn't seal it.
No, because they feel like they've been actually rated.
Let's see what you get from this one.
Okay, I think I've got something, but I'm not sure. Click on the back, which is a card trick. Okay, we've got the female War Buffet from thing. What you call it?
Just put
the
it
Radiant
down.
Collection. Another double colorless energy. Maintenance, which you can reuse from the one from base. Geodude. Tangela. A Magikarp. A Steel Energy. Reverse is Zubat. A Floret, which is a Radiant Collection reverse. And over the Fallout Zapdos. The Fallout Zapdos! Nice! The Fallout Zapdos, that is really good! And my first Fallout was actually the Flareon EX from it.
Oops. Let's just get it so that at least the rares are in view.
Yeah.
So that at least can get the good rares, and then
That's it.
neat.
Yeah.
There we go then.
Yeah, it's actually a really good pull. I was actually hoping for Jolteon EX because it's actually a $70 card.